Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about enterprise RAG. So I have set up an enterprise RAG application. So I'm going to show some demo on that today. So I have created some set of modules, a document RAG, uh, web RAG, and YouTube RAG, and image RAG, and then even I can query my database, in-house database, and then I do have agent smart router in which I can question or summarize any document or else any kind of web page or else video or image. So through one UI, it is called Agent Smart Router. And then I do have system monitoring and then password reset option as well. So let me move on with my document rack. So I can give my I can browse any of the document and then provide it to the RAG. Let me give my document. Giving this HR policy document. Then I'm going to upload an index. So I need to give my category. It's going to be HR document. Then upload an index. That is done. I can go and ask this question. Summarize the HR policy document. So it is document rack. We are going to click on ask document rack. For some time, it's going to fix the results. In the meantime, we will move on with the other tabs. Okay, I'm going to click on my username credentials. Give my credentials. Okay. So see here, it is summarizing my documentation. It is pulling my HR policy document information. So you can very well see the RAG is working for the document. So see this documentation. Likewise, I can go and check the other documentations. So we have other documentations like so Opus 4.6 PDF. Let me ask something about Opus 4.6 version. So okay, Right. Let's see how it is fetching. So it is taking some time. In the meantime, let me move on with the web drag. So I do have a lot of web pages. Richard Ford's output blog and output paste blog. Okay, let me. Okay, I've added the pages already. So let me ask something about this web page. I'm going to ask web page. So let's see how it is fetching the results. So in the meantime, I'm going to explore the other documentations, other kind of blocks, other kind of rack setup. Okay, let me move on with other tab, other rack. So let me move on with the YouTube rack. So we can upload any kind of YouTube documentations. We can provide it over here, index those YouTube documents. Let me pull some of the information from the YouTube already uploaded. YouTube link, cloud code I've uploaded already. Okay, okay. Let me ask about cloud code. So which is already uploaded here. So it is running parallelly. Let me check about Richard Ford's blog page. Okay, I've given all pages, so it is giving such kind of information. I need to be specific on page selection. So it's going to be Richard Ford's. It's a blog kind. So it's a blog, and then the page selection. It's Richard Ford's. Okay, I'm going to be a specific page selection. How it should reach the proper results. Okay, in the meantime, let me check YouTube brag. So before that, I'm going to explore something on. Okay, Opus 4.6. It has given the results. It just foods still. Okay, Opus 4.6. It has given the results. See here, it has provided results related to 4.6 documentation. Opus. So it has given a lot of information on the 4.6. There is no hallucination. So everything is related to 4.6. That's the beauty about this RAG setup. Uh, there is no hallucination at all. We avoided hallucination by proper retrieval techniques. So let's see about the YouTube rack. Okay. So pin specific video. So explain about cloud code. I need to be specific on the video. Like all video it is not proper. It will not be a proper one since it will not will mix up everything. So we need to be specific on the videos. So let me ask now. So, so it has given a summary of 4.6. So we can see the history of it. What are the history of the documentations? We have it. Let's see on the history part. So this is my history. What are all the things I've asked previously? So today is the one history I have since last execution. Likewise, I can go here and okay, let me show up the YouTube. Still fetching. Okay, let me load history on this as well. Okay, this is my history on this web rag. Last time I asked this one on the Oracle base. Fetching the result. So I can even register a number of users. So for every user, we can separately load document and then maintain RAG documentations. Okay, so I can create the account. Okay, email already registered. So I'm going to give us test one. Okay. So account created. So I can I can log in with the same account whatever I created now. A space in between after the username. So likewise, okay, let me check parallelly on this YouTube rag. What? Okay, it has fetched the result. See here in Cloud Code for everyone, the presenter discusses Cloud, an AI tool designed to simplify tasks such as editing folders full of spreadsheets, blah blah. So this is what the a brief summary on this YouTube rag video. So so we have seen all three kinds of rag. One is YouTube, one is web, and then one is document. So have one more rag image. Before that, I'll show up system monitoring. So what is the health check? So this is the health check. This is the server. This is not the server. It's my own system, Windows PC. I've installed the Llama model. So it's a proprietary model, so that in the sense we need not go with the API keys, or else we not go with any kind of public open model. We not go and register, or else go and use cloud platform. So we can use in our own system. So installing the Llama model, and then configuring the rack setup, everything. So we have seen this thing here. It shows the Llama, and then the database it is used. The vector database is the ChromaDB, and then SQLite. It's in-house SQL database. For the structured data, I'm going to use my SQLite database to store my own database information, and then this database is different. Vector database is different. This one is storing our structured data. All unstructured data will be stored over DB, where we uh, use RAG uh, technique to drive our data, whatever required. Uh, Likewise, we registered three users. So total number of users is three right now. So we can go with the n number of users, so that their own documentations can be maintained over here. By each user, we can log in and look at those documentations, whatever belonging to that particular user. Likewise, the total indexing for each of the documentation, or else the video and web pages, everything indexing will be done. So these are all the indexed documents, how much of indexing has been performed, and then this is the total UCP utilization, and then Chroma DB collections is one. So likewise, before moving on to the image rack, I'll show up the structured data. How do I query my own database information? I've stored only one table, a sales table over here. It's my own database table. So I can even query my own in the using the enterprise setup. We can query both RAG data as well as the structured data. Let me query. I can query in both ways, in the sense two ways. One through direct SQL query, and then one through plain English. Plain English in the sense it will convert using a LLM. The LLM into the SQL statement. Let me ask in plain English. Okay, let me ask. Uh, since I have sales table, okay, let me run it. So this is not a proper SQL statement. So I've executed. It is now clicked on. So it has generated the results. There are four records. So sales table it is. Then it shows up the graph and as well, along with the table output. Uh, some kind of reports, if you want, you can see the same page, and even you have another option to download the report generated. So you can click on download, so that you can view this reports as well. Okay, so the output of the SQL statement. So that's it on this SQL part. I've added this one in order to pull the structured data. So sometimes in enterprise uh, systems, they require structured data as well. So that's why I kept this option. From that, I've shown the system monitoring. Okay, let me move on with the image rag. Okay, let me browse some images, and then it will convert into yeah, an Excel sheet. Okay, I have this image, new image. So this is a bill. It's a shop bill. So it's a purchase bill, so that we can upload it and then get it as an Excel sheet. So let me do this. Okay. So it has got generated. So the Excel, it is using the OCR, optical character recognizer, so that converts to an Excel sheet. So this is how it has got generated. All my the image has been generated into an Excel sheet. A small formatting issue is there. I need to fix those issue. So as of now, it is cleanly generating the Excel sheet. On that, you have their options. Okay, smart router I have. Instead of using all four options, I can go directly to the smart router. So if I wanted to work on a particular thing, a particular documentation, let me pull summarize char policy. Okay, let me ask this agent. So it's not there actually. Summarize on HR policy, it is not there. So we haven't uploaded the HR policy documentation. Let me ask summarize on Opus 4.6. This has been uploaded already, so we know that. Okay, we need to talk about. Okay, okay, it is not working successfully. I need to work on this. Okay, anyhow, I'll come back on this later on. Um, it is not the final version. I'm still working on it. So I do have other option like to reset the user, reset uh, the current user password for any user. So let me change this password. Something I've given it wrongly. It should work. I'm giving it wrongly now. Everybody. So everything is working fine. So you can even clear the memory as well as the history as well. So if I clear it, the memory will be cleared. Likewise, we can Okay, it is clear now. That's it. We have these options right now as of now. So the major advantage, let me show up, tell you the major advantage of using this enterprise RAG, this kind of setup. You have control over the data. You did not share with any of the models, public models. Uh, Also, you save it in your own system or else own server. So you need not pay for API keys or else any kind of cloud platform. You not pay it for any model usage. So it's our own model, and then we have the own control, and then security wise, uh, we are controlling everything on our own. So also we fine tune the hallucination part as well. There is no hallucination as of now since we fine tune all the hallucination, and then uh, the the chunking methods as well. Each document, each kind of RAG has its own chunking method, and then the hallucination fine tuning, hallucination control as well. It differs from one RAG to the other RAG technique. So that's it. I have it for now. So thanks for watching.